Hi, welcome back again to Nikki Workshop. And hi Lloyd.
Hello.
Alright, so this is a third equipment to go with the Prestige A3 DTF printer. I'm really strong on staying healthy and also keeping our family healthy because this is out of our basement. So our kids are upstairs, so as a step towards that, we spent extra in getting a fume extractor and an air filtration system for the DTF. So this is going to be for when we're curing in the oven. Yep, fume extractor. So this is going to be when we cure in the transfers in the oven, that it doesn't just go into the air and into our AC system, but it actually gets filtered. So again,
Extract the hose.
yep, really thick foam. I gotta give them the packing. Yeah.
This was really secure. Packing was good. It was really snug. So, like we said, we give them an A+ on shipping and safe delivery.
So here we take it out, and it's actually pretty light.
Yeah.
So again, all the brand name is on there. So we have the hose, the power supply, and we have the nozzle. This is flexible, so it's going to fit over like that once we attach everything together. So you're going to see once we get all the supplies in, everything in motion, the setup might be a little different because we have to make space. We have to make space to fit all this new equipment. So it's exciting, which is good. You're going to watch our business grow, see all the pluses, all the negative. We'll go through it and we get through it together. Again, thanks for watching. Really do appreciate all your views, your watching, your thumbs up, all your comments, good and bad, but we like mostly good comments. Ask the questions, we'll answer them as best we can. If we don't know, we'll try to guide you where to find the answers. Again, thanks again for your support and see you in the next video. Bye.
Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to us. Help us grow. Thank you very much.